Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a if we have a square root of a times square root of a times square root of a plus square root of a is equals to 10, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first you see that these are the same variable terms are multiplied by 3 times. So we write this in the form of cube, and it will be written as square root of a and its whole cube plus this is our square root of a is equals to 10. And now here further in the next step we convert this radical equation into the cubic form. So for this we will take here the base of this term is equals to x, and it will be written as x is equals to square root of a. So when we choose square root of a equals to x, then our above equation is written as, so when you put this value here it will becomes x cubed plus this is x is equals to 10. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so here we move this plus 10 to the left hand side, and it will be written as x cubed plus s. This is plus 10. When we move it into the left hand side it will becomes minus 10, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need to break this 10, and we rewrite this 10 as we write this term as 8 and minus 2. We know that 8 minus 2 becomes here 10, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we write 8 into the prime factors form, and we know about that the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed, and this is minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need to make the pair of cubic term with cubic term. So we have the cubic terms are, this is x cubed minus 2 cubed, and plus the remaining terms are, here we get x minus 2. So we write these two terms here, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to use here the nice cubic formula in order to solve the first factor. So here we use this formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this formula we just expand this term as in this form. So this is our x cubed minus 2 cubed, and when we apply this formula it will be written as x minus 2 times of this is a square. Here our a is x square plus ab. Here our a is x and b is 2 plus b square, and b is 2 square, and plus this is our x minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, this is x minus 2. Here we need to take common x minus 2, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get x square plus 2x plus this is 2 square, and 2 square becomes here 4, and plus when we take common this x minus 2 here we get only 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x minus 2 times of x square plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 becomes 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to plus 2. This is the first real root of the given equation. And now here, because our target is to find the values of a, so that's why we move backward and we substitute back this value of x. So we put x is equals to square root of a, and when we put this value here it will become square root of a is equals to 2. Here we need to take a squaring on both of the sides in order to find the value of a. So these 2 and square root are gone, and we get the value of a is equals to 4. This is the first real root of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So now here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c is equals to 5. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and when we substitute all the values of a, b and c here, it will be written as this is minus b, the value of b is 2, and it will becomes minus 2 plus minus square root of b square, b is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 5, and it is divided by 2 times of a. Here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of this is 2 square becomes 4 minus, here we have 4 multiplied by 5, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and we get our x is equals to minus 2 plus minus, here we need to take common 4 inside the square root sign, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 5, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so we have this is minus 2 plus minus, here we know that a square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of this is 1 minus 5, and 1 minus 5 becomes here minus 4, and it is divided by 2. Here we need to apply the square root and on negative term and 4 separately, so it will be written as minus 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 4 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. Further in the next step we need to break this fraction, and it will be written as minus 2 over 2 plus minus this is 2 times of, here we have square root of 4, and square root of 4 becomes 2, and square root of minus 1 becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. Now you see here these 2 and these 2 are gone, and we get here our x is equals to minus 1 plus minus these 2 and these 2 are also gone, and we get here 2 iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. And now here we again move backward, because in the start of the problem we will take here our x is equals to square root of a. So we put this value into the above equation. After substituting this here, it will becomes square root of a is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2 iota. So here for the values of a we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as in this form. These 2 and square root are gone, and we get here our a is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2 iota and its whole square. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And here we have the third root of the given equation is a equals to 4. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.